Hi there students. In this video I'd like to look at the word paraphrase and rogeting or to roget. Okay, paraphrase is both a verb and a noun. This means to express a text or what somebody else has said in your own words, in different words. So to say the same thing but in your own words. I think paraphrasing texts is a good method of learning. Yeah, I think it's good in languages as well. You try taking sentences and paraphrasing them. So, I wonder if you could be quite so kind as to see your way to lending me some money. I can paraphrase that into, please lend me some money. So, to paraphrase, to repeat speech or writing in different words. It's very common to paraphrase things, to clarify them and make them easier to understand, to reword. I think the Bible has been paraphrased various times so that people can clearly understand the meaning and there is no room for doubt. Okay, so to paraphrase, to reword. I could say, please paraphrase the text below. Please put the text below in your own words. You see, I paraphrased what I first said. Now comes the question, what is the difference between paraphrasing and plagiarism? Plagiarism, copying somebody else's work. Well, I think plagiarism is when you pretend it's your own work and you don't credit the person who did it originally. And this very neatly leads me to the verb to roget, or the noun rogeting. So Roget, a guy called Peter Mark wrote Roget's Thesaurus. I think some people might say Roget, but as a Brit I'm going to say Roget's Thesaurus. So to roget is to take someone else's text and take a thesaurus, maybe Roget's Thesaurus, and change the words that this person used for synonyms. Like that, you can trick anti-plagiarism software. So I think maybe sometimes students roget the work of other people in order to not be detected when they plagiarize things. Okay? So, to roget, to take a thesaurus, to paraphrase something in order to make it look like your own. Okay, so to paraphrase, to say again in your own words, very often in less words and easier words to understand. To paraphrase is a regular verb. He paraphrased the text. He has paraphrased various texts. And I think I'd probably give this something like a 7 in formality. It sounds literary and technical lexicography. I think informally I might use the phrase in your own words. And then this word to paraphrase comes from Greek paraphrasis, para, modified, and phrasein, to tell. So to tell in a modified way. The verb to roget is also regular. He rogeted the novel. He rogeted somebody else's paragraph. He's rogeted various different works. And I think this I would also give a 7 in formality. This is a neologism, yeah? It's technical, and that's, I think if you use it, most people are not going to know what it is, so you're going to have to explain it. And then the origin of that from Peter Roget, the guy who wrote Roget's Thesaurus. So, to paraphrase, to sum up, to say what somebody else says, but in a different form. And then Roget, to plagiarize by using a thesaurus.